Folks, we got a special project for you this video. This is a 2026 Heritage Edition Nissan Z. And not only is it just a brand new car, but it's midnight purple, okay? You auto enthusiasts, you know what I'm talking about. For those of you that don't know, Nissan painted this car in this color to pay homage to the Z32 and the R34. The dealership did some damage to the trunk lid, the hood, the doors, a few spots that we will annotate in the video, but we're gonna clean those up. We're gonna get some good shine into it, and then we're gonna protect it with ScratchWerkes gold ceramic coating. So stick around, you guys are not going to wanna miss this one. This is a just fantastic car, I'm excited. I own a 240 if you guys don't know, so. I'm dying. This is pretty special to me. All right, now I know you guys can see this color. It is, I don't have words for it. It's one of my favorites. I'm so excited. I've already put stuff on my thing, but watch. All right, check this out. You guys, this color is just unbelievable. What's crazy, it's only a $2,900 paint code. All right, now I just gotta hit this front little part. I'm gonna keep it rolling. All right guys, so I've highlighted these scratches here on the front bumper. They could be from bugs, they could be from them washing it at the dealership. Who really knows where it came from, but we're gonna work on getting them out. You can see pretty heavy damage there. What are we gonna use today? We're gonna use ScratchWerkes Pro Shine. And then we're gonna use just our microfiber pad. Give it a good shake. 4 drops. And then get right into it. Bring it down to speed setting 4. Brand new pad, so it's gonna throw a little bit of dust, but fibers. And then we'll grab a towel because I forgot one. The polish is broken down. You can see it goes translucent. Give it a wait and take another look. All right, so there's one little straggler left, but you guys get the idea. ScratchWerkes Pro Shine, this is a medium to light polish. Paired with a microfiber pad of your choice, you'll be one stepping all day long. So let's get the rest of the car done and then get some coating on it. That's a pretty quick job, guys. Brand new cars are a lot of fun to do, but they're quick, so there's not a lot of information to discuss. Shine it up, flatten out some of the texture, prepare the panel for ceramic coating. Make sure all the scratches are gone. It's that simple. I know it all just looks shiny on camera right now, but once you guys see these after shots of this paint in the light, it's gonna blow your mind. All right, we got those out. This gas cap is huge. I'm polishing. How am I going to throw it if I'm polishing? What a good boy. He's so patient, no sign getting over you. I really did a number on this right here. This is embarrassing. Not even embarrassing for me, embarrassing for whatever dealership they bought this from. All right, folks, now that we got this beautiful chameleon midnight purple all polished out, looking fresh, all the scratches are gone, it's time to protect it with ScratchWerkes Gold Ceramic. We put it on everything because it's the best. So we're gonna get right into it. If you guys wanna learn more about this ceramic, go back and watch some of the previous videos or hop over to my website, shopscratchwerkes.com. This is for professionals. This is for professionals only. That being said, I'm just going to get right into coating this thing, and then we will see you guys when it's time to wipe it off. All right, folks, the Z is finished. We got it polished, we got it prepped, we got it ceramic coated. We even put gold on the wheels. These rays look absolutely fantastic. A little extra shine on them. So again, there's not much to say about this car except just to appreciate it for what it is. As a Nissan guy, I absolutely love it. What do you think, Egg? Huh? You're happy? So without further ado, I just want to thank you guys for sticking around to the end of the video. If you haven't yet, please be sure to subscribe. Leave a like and leave a comment if you feel obliged. Enough of me chatting. This car is too pretty to be looking at my face. Thank you guys.